McBrown's Kitchen. Again, McBrown's Kitchen. Bring us so. Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, no, am I in here? Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share.
Yes, McBrown's Kitchen I was here for Ediane pa ede mema wakwaba ena yakono easy sana mpesa ne busuafo so motena se na mo hwe no easy McBrown's Kitchen Ediane pa ede me dindi na na McBrown yes me di anam de atoka yi so enam de bo Ediane pa ho dero sa me da maboafo ase high sense everyday prices for everyday people. High sense june wo ho eno ntiyan ye the home appliances papa makatro say high sense what Germany America Canada no eno bi and autone Ghana ha a international company with a tasty Thomas say tasty Tom and rich tomato mix strength comes from within. But your vitamins are well, a duanima, a buoni peduanino, Nini nebi with tasty tom, and rich tomato mix. Yadam was say, awake purified drinking water, a yen suya, Jenegana for home, and until do be albetono, awake a yibi the cardio center, Edicobwa, cardiothoracic center, Kolebu, and Magana for ma, in your son for so. Launch a kitchen near lunch and air McBrown's Kitchen, I nunti efe, no one more day. Me pa chow shisho me chira kwan launch a kitchen me da delay mackerel delay sardine and then the spaghetti and then me di spaghetti into and me di delay spaghetti I me da overpack company limited ase eye organic product nko a baby to say jene uko jene asuye and now come market now who say atro akoma ginger akoma garlic akoma onion me pa chow eye overpack for Overpack Company Limited. Yedamwase. Me pacho Royal Aroma Rice. Emuninye. Royal Aroma Rice. No jaso. Ede. Vitamins womb. Into a female cream. Me srew. The Royal Aroma Rice, mame. Me da say. Me da Royal Kitchen where official Ghana say. For Chensia. Me de no eduane wo McBrown's Kitchen. Ayana akono keke. Me da mwase Royal. Me da Borges olive oil say. Borges eyanwa yedi na yedia eno ne anwa enye promise eye olive natural #1 olive yedia eboy akoma yetimi de sra na ye de yesade tu anwo bone so Borges olive oil me ba cho magi de ene beba me duane mu enye shrimp nko a eye dry fish and a garlic. Am I a duany taste? A the kama na yenya woni dro so bebre e free magi de dem. Eno na me kan formal. Me pa chopi ma me mra me hoai. Me train ye Beauty Bow Salon and Spa. Beauty Bow wo Instagram sa wo East Legon ube hu wo. Sana me da Aligina makeover say. Kone hoai anako suya anako no nya makeup ma okay shivia Aligina bejo so. Me da say. Abusuya me pa se me twa me ho ba. Me bape eneso ye ba benu aduane na wani ba jime guest one man abro so ene ha be ye dedodo ba bia bewu McBrown's Kitchen aduane pa ede me ba sesia brim
in 1967 high sense eda sukra ye boshim say ye de ye be ye home appliances eye papa na ne bo eda from ama ankra e wo wiase afa na nyina high sense ye de wagwa ye ho ne say ya nyoma ye no ebua nipa e wakonya sanyina so ene na mame musa we edie ben sa na wo hia refrigerator air conditioner television gas cooker electric cooker iron rice cooker washing machine steamer kettle mobile phone sound system and a blender e mo gra tutu na mo na fako high sense showroom biem na jide say ubenya de ne woda from paato exactly e je mo de say ye nyoma ye papa ntino high sense penny adumaku a etimi ma 5 years warranty ye ni so wa woni ye didwa enti ye nsi won fo na ata ade wo ho na echi ba asem so a ye hwe sisi ukama enyoma ye papa enyoma efe efi enyoma ense ye nyina ma hoden eno na high sense ye
high sense 351251
My husband deserves the best jollof.
Yay!
And so do my kids. Not necessary, dear. Because for the first time in Ghana, we have the new Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. This has all the pepper, onion, thyme, curry powder, ginger, garlic, and tomatoes I need to cook my tasty jollof with no stress at all. All I do is pour my oil, add Tasty Tom Jollof Mix, fry for 4 minutes, and add water, some cube and salt, and finally rice. And my tasty jollof is ready in only 45 minutes.
So tasty.
New Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. Remember to wash your hands regularly. Stay home and eat healthy.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Darling, plain or check it?
Checkered.
That is why I trust you.
Mommy, I can't find the other one.
Top left drawer.
I trust you, Mommy.
It's good to be trusted. Just the same way I trust Royal Aroma Rice to give me that perfectly cooked rice every time. At my restaurant or at home, I trust Royal Aroma Rice every time.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
I had invited the boss for lunch. Okay, then I get called to handle some emergency. So I called my auntie Nat to help out, but she gets hopelessly stuck somewhere.
There's traffic in front of me.
What? So I call hubby, and he says,
What
are we going to do?
Relax, we've got this.
No, we don't. Now it's up to me and him to save the day. Are you okay? With help from something special, the new Dedede seasoning from Maggi. Specially made from natural fish, shrimps, and other ingredients. To give your cooking that special Dedede taste.
You need to tell me how you got that Dedede taste.
And then later she says,
Come see me Monday morning. Let's talk about the new branch we're opening.
Just then Auntie Na shows up. And just when I thought the drama was over,
my daughter, let's go into business.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
McBrown's Kitchen ebusiafo. Ediane pa ede me mo akwaba ene yehia mesraw unim dada say aduane anti ana me ne wo hia me de brew ne kwanso ene me ni menua ba ma bi te say na de say di no asesa kakra but just say ebo ne nwum ansa no wahu still the same but brand no asesa na me do nyame wa ma me wig be 4 and ya de obesi for my free me kitchen mu akofie DJ why ready a bo me ne nwom ba ko na afa ye fa mma no aha baby
And spray me.
Hey. Sawa. Nada obede. Hey, Adora. Hey.
Come on.
What's that, Mensa? We are Messiah Sanoa.
And then for Momo Kake.
Hey. McBrown's Kitchen. And the other part. Hey, Nana Boroo. Me bacha bua me nie comporte ho. Na ye show kama so.
Yeah, steady.
Me fire there no ma.
Yeah, steady.
Wow.
Steadiness.
Yeah, steady.
Yeah, steady.
Na bacha dey ne kra we.
Kai adiwe na yenkola bi enfe na matoto. Okay. Since you me ba McBrown's Kitchen. Na o ya ama. Intinuwe oye ama brim.
Oh, ama brim.
Intinuwe no oye for garnishing.
Sawa. What do garnishing aba?
Me de me garnishing aba.
And I was here for the
and we dandelion.
Dandelion.
Ono so here for garnishing.
And also here for garnishing.
Hey. This okay.
Je.
Pacho ama brim no ono ompe bibi obeda. Unse ese etimi ni si ona. Ase o hwe nyom ko unse slaking sa ya ye hwe nyoma na my motivation.
Me pacho man is slaking.
Slaking ye da mu ya de.
It's
Amatoto, aka Brim.
And Dandelion, aka Berose.
Berose 360, no.
Wow.
In the building. Yaba?
Oh, me permoasam.
Yaba.
Nana Boroo, to send the Dean the Slay King.
AKA Berose 360.
The Javi will Masako Fababishim.
And then they would giant.
Oh, Berose 360.
Sir. Giant.
And then they went in Como.
You in Como.
That's how we give a chemi.
But you're making 26 inches.
Oh, okay.
HD frontal. How much you pay?
I was from Basamo room is away. Maybe I don't miss that. McBrown's kitchen. Oh, yes, sir. I now me bear me sink is at automatic. Hey, automatic. Me bear me sink is I know say hand washing segment. Oh, McBrown's kitchen. I tasty tomadaroma and I'm a bro. Me can't tasty tom and him say and to say wo konkomo Ghana ha vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin K. Ani e wom na ye de ye dwen ya pom den wonti no ye gusu e bon ka ye say ye koso ani ehro ye nsa ye fa hye so etna se ye no nsuo ye ndidi ye na ye nda ye afeso e wom say social distancing na say ye jagum kagra ye pa chow ye koso ani e face mask yes e pa chopi eni na Berose
in the breeding, yo.
Pacho, my pip, my over me, dear, what are
Sir.
Wow, slaking, yet I wado.
Yawado.
And they know.
Yanda mobia de.
Slaking, said they are bevy. And they are beno. Wow. Wow, slaking, Pacho. Why the work accounts are so?
So they would the unyanti a dear nasi. Oh, they remember, my room is unreal.
Oh, okay.
So unyanti, I say.
Nana Pacho. Wow. Nana Boroo. Berose 360.
Pacho. Yani abahan.
Nana Pacho na queen na down. Bebe so and no mama to see.
Danke.
Said na me nim wono.
Sir.
Kasa vim time no.
More vim time.
And na say you know. Yes,
sir. Say imre Daniel no adani hu bi.
Oh, okay.
This year your social media world, your Instagram world, your global village.
Okay.
You know, I say in your masisa.
Nana, wife.
Me that say.
To be honest, what's so about?
Yeah, keka. Maybe see myself.
Maybe see what's a America. 16. And I say,
oh, so shepa, my say when.
What's a me?
Hey.
Berose 360.
In the building, McBrown's kitchen.
That's right. Yaba life. Nana wadaroma and even what day?
360 spaghetti.
Okay.
What you say? Okay. 360 just spaghetti with me on one side. No, we 360 spaghetti.
360 spaghetti. Any ingredients?
Sir. You know where your liver.
Okay.
Come up. Who's the liver? Brebo. Liver no de ye dwane and check bene. Ni aba ye nuanom akokoko fu meku kakra. O hye meku ni chia ye wo garlic so kakra. O fi garlic na ya jampe na aba carrot so kakra.
Okay.
O fi carrot na aba down. Na abenya tomatoes so kakra.
Okay.
O fi tomatoes no so na akọ up. No nya green pepper so kakra. But asinti no onion no so no di ni hne wo ho no. Nti o hye na ginger no so aye for the garnishing one corner. Nti o hye mu a utimi say ye wo nyoma very healthy. Nti e fi ha na ni aba ni say.
Yeah.
What I say you run see a delay macro adi ko friends sardine and also you dey one or two bi or adenase ne dey abobo ase ni aba tasty tom.
Okay.
To give it that taste of tom.
Okay.
What I say if you taste of tom na ni aba delay super getty.
Nana, you fed your no shesha so say quick one.
Quick.
But before that, what I remember memo you. Why? I esuo ni usuo ni mesumi die ni akwa ba ye.
say eshimiana manomo okay enya ne say na dia ide ene echi say ampa no anya ene echi say
my partner we dey 360 yeah fan shisha so yeah chassis
see ano ye betwitwa yeah vegetables
okay
say we fast we ni adaje nti betwitwa ye vegetables
mati de betwitwa bia twitwa mame
nti no
na ye fan starting
see ano ese ye blend vegetables ni bi from the onion to a green pepper ni green pepper kese ba ko ni yi ne to ne fio e betwa no to no kakra fio no because adibi yeah say Emani ye healthy. Inti yi ambane ne enyoma ni mfimie. Ne to no keke ni ebetwe fio. Na eja.
Wow.
Ye ni sia.
360.
Na jeni no nso no eja. Ya boom 4.
Okay.
E say ya kese what you say because e be blend no.
Inti no de be blend bi afaka ona me blend.
Inti no we green pepper no na jeni no near de meko. Me meko no ase me pen no hono hobby sa no ntino ye betimi de I think say 4 year and now we odi nkomo se me a
odi nkomo 4 na ye da bia ye
sa na okay nti yemfa yi kakra enka ho
ginger
kakra so nka ho near the garlic bia me nu bi nso aye den
fa gu me be blend kra
de mame wo no na scent ni film kakra ye garnishing no mo
360
iti si ano
me blend ni
me blend sa nyoma we
okay
what you say no once I blend no na say mitimi wura liver on the side ho
okay ebusa for yes me blend
nti ye twitwa in a way a ye china obetima ye kama na okam ya na chese una okono
wow
what you say
snaking
sa
na bro na ne wa na snaking so how out ye de
oh say Berose 360 Berose 360 no or stand for Ghana Slay Queen and Slay Kings Association.
Oh okay. Why only president?
Sa ntia omo ntimi en kasa momo ene omo mpese omo ye upcoming unze nkola ni biwa omo hwe yen what you say omo pese omo sunsua yen ntino like you know
they should get closer to you.
Yes, more information just hit me up on social media. Then the Juma be as say about to stay. It is here to stay.
Juma dey Slay
Queen Juma.
Mate me ba no acheche me Juma mu ye Jesus. Yani kwa ye.
Desi aye tete wie. Na
Bien sojano, that's what you na na be sha.
No na ye kona.
Okay, Berose, me sojano.
Sir.
Hey, Berose when you bro.
Enya grow crowd. Yes. Ya sem ketwa.
Mama Borges.
Sir.
Hi. Wow. Nana Boroo. Ye nim say Nana Boroo before.
Sir.
And as I say no. What's your from Berose 360?
Yes.
Okay, ye nim with a hit song. I heard do baby which is here ben put the by.
I heard they came 2010 2011.
Okay.
Yes.
That's that time no hit like
that was the time and it didn't jina so pa and actually say up till now no yeah but Nana Boroo na onim Nana Boroo na actually say yeah stranger we are sim ha.
Oh okay. All right. Nana me dey so.
Intinesia no yeah the oil no be gum.
Okay.
What I say yemfa oil kakra because yeah the liver na ba ha.
Sir.
Ti pese the oil no.
Yeah man on your Borges.
Yeah Borges.
Good.
Yem Borges fire no kakra na.
Kakra.
Sa.
Okay. Let's say bebre
sir because okay. Ye ne beba. Yeah liver no.
Yeah the liver no beba. A quick spaghetti.
Right.
Yes, with delayed spaghetti. Yeah. Aisha.
Tina.
Oh, Aisha.
Yeah the beba mi kasa.
Oh. Now wait. no. Gosh. Obasha we gidi aso wo de ane no. Ache wo kafra. Kafra.
Ole me fa yin ngu mansa.
Ah, e fa mu matwas.
1 2 3.
Okay. Okay.
2 pesi now.
Now we is like him pa. What brother say?
My brother say. Obe tete here ya.
Na so ba sha we gidi a. Onso ti mi jina jaho so.
E kaka crank so no wig ni. Ka semesi. Ka Ghana fu nyami o.
Oh, ada Ghana fu mpa wig no.
Ku me nyami o.
Ada se fata o.
E fata me.
Ada Ghana fu so mpe.
Ya keka.
Onso mpe.
Ya keka.
Na se ya na opa.
Se.
Eno mu ntra no mu accept wo sa.
Entubia. Se ya na. Se ya di ya.
Okay.
Oye no ho lai.
Nana Boroo. Nana udi pa de say.
Nana Osei Bonsu.
Nana Osei Bonsu.
Sa.
Ah, u free we ye die ni.
Me ye BA ni.
BA. Kafra slakes. Easy. Ya no ye ni say strategy ni say.
Ese mitimi ni say you. Nka me ni say na nka me fast na me gum say.
Wagum.
Oh, na wa brass ya.
Okay. Tawo. Nana Bonsu.
Sa.
U free BA Club so.
Me mama fi Bedu. Eye BA
Munahafo. Bedu. Ena o papa.
Na me papa nso fi Bedu ni Agona.
Asante Agona. Oh, okay.
Nshema ye Agona to Bedu.
BA. Asante ne buno.
Sa.
Wow. Hey, slake. Na mami no jaro kwata no.
Na me catch you say lo kakana. Onya aboche fan rerem.
Fan rerem.
O rerem na ese me fa we kra.
Egu ho.
Me fa kra no be 2 seconds bi na. I mean head. Okay. This year I think say meeting dey.
Egu ho na fe abre egu na se. Pacho say okay. Shrimp no kwa magi de na bread.
Sa.
Wow. Nana Boroo.
Sa.
Iti na wunyini wa he BA ho ana say.
W. Me tema boy.
Oh.
TM for life. Tema semsa.
Tema ne wo. Ana wunyini ye.
Ni ye ko school ye bibia.
Ko school be na no.
Because that is kakra. That's junior high and I call Kufodia sector kakra. Me call team so. Inti no me fi ho na me call tech.
Tech ever.
Sa. Enya tech ya KUST.
Who go KUST?
Sa.
Yeah, baby.
2007 2006.
2007
right.
I don't want 1 year baby.
No.
Yeah. Uye was tech. Oh, this is beautiful. Me knew that.
Na me fi ho me ra a Lincoln came so kakra Malaysia.
Oko school Malaysia.
Malaysia so kakra minya
Malaysia truly Asia.
Sa minya admission so hono eneja me beye musica eblo ya me se ene me fe no so nto nchen kakra ena music no ma so me di win Ghana malaria ambassadorial position. Me signed the Koshe America so kakra ko music school so kakra.
Hey,
you know, biography no e wakakra.
Sa. Wow, Nana Boroo. Nana, ye hwe ye stew no e.
Sa, you know, see I dey nyoma keka ka ho ndi. I mean she say unse we na kwen ho as a fry as a sauce bi sa no. What you say, you know, see ano ye bema esi so sa kakra. Pacho me here hot water.
Okay.
Me de ba be me 1 or 2 bi nti no.
Me ma hot water.
Sa in fact.
Me ma chance ne fa no.
Sa ne hot water no.
Oh, Nana, nsuo ndi.
Nti no ye benua nsuo no. Because spaghetti me pese be pacha me pese be ebe boil any way na fra any spaghetti ni nsuo no be boil afra ti me nwia nsuo no nko different separate
okay nti spaghetti no ye be noa
but me nwia nsuo na ansa esa menua ni nsuo ni nyina bo ma be soft too much na me pese be ni sa ti e be ma we ni aboile kakra ansana
matia enti ene ye twen se nsuo ni be hu ya si just be
ye buy vegetables no so ti ye be twitwa ye carrots kakra
carrot no
carrot no so
no board no so
okay yeah so carrot no aya me was special we be a me tie twitwa no because utwitwa no akese normally I am for typing around but
okay wow
intino me peno a special way intino me cracking if me stop say
wow nana Boroo nana tresa ho ye me nwanwa said we ye diane no even though because spaghetti there dey ya
that be spaghetti we no or a different all together uchiche musi na afi wamano
okay wow Berose
360 spaghetti
360 spaghetti ampa
na akesia kama
it's nana Boroo
sir
from higher dough
sir
baby and we release in baby
baby asoso and also
DJ who aboma me baby asoso
and also no ejomfo yi member yi omuso sun omuso G2 mu pa chese nya asem ketwa mami like ka embema and musicians omo pemba kesia you cannot do without mentioning this name Nana Boroo sir
I saw pema omumodu
emma modu die ye kapa dia
omumodu sesen efa baby a hyehyɛ
ade ani dia from Ushimpa dia me fro say oh yes slim pie from 12 me who say oh yes slim
okay size 12 slim
na say wa fon pa
amount
sir
until open 16 18
17 18 19 20 besi 24
really
oh yes
Nana Boroo
sir
o spec no DJ ba me baby so Nana yeko yeba and as I me qualify ba me 12 ni mo
and not qualify but no you am serious
mo fa me serious baby
baby asoso baby asoso
Eva down the back
baby asoso
She Nana Boroo Nana hey we are different human being
at all different creature
wow it's baby asoso you free baby asoso na release it there
if you baby asoso na me release Big Mama enumu na me de nya me malaria ambassadorial positioning I was supposed to help eradicate malaria from Ghana and West Africa as a whole.
Why money the man?
Ghana Health Service and USAID and American Embassy.
Wow.
Yes. From there, I was just concentrating on myself kakra. And I say, maybe I go out of the music scene kakra. So, and I imagine 2018 I wanted to come back hard. So around that time
and I release it
me drop a first project into munuma na SE video numa na
na yen Castro
na yen Castro bio nti no so because na me ne te no ha me pa nti no so ma me
slow down.
Yeah, slow me so Charlie. Let me just concentrate on the business and you know.
Berose. Yeah, bonkomo.
Sir.
But you said no ye DNA. Intina busua ye twitwa ye vegetables no. Right now Berose 360 we twitwa wi an sir. Wow. Berose. Okay, B what twitwa na ma wi nti ye den. Unsuo no so ahu.
Nsuo no ye beba ho enche kwa sisia no me ese me de tasty tom.
Okay.
Me de start ye
tasty tom no bem wo ho.
Bem, nti no.
Hey Berose.
Enche me tasty tom.
Nana Boroo, you say you share a Berose 360 brand, no?
Yeah.
The package out there, my brand, no? Now you're my Ghana for TSC.
Right.
So say, I don't know which week.
Sometimes.
Okay, why this look?
This look because I want to give something different, something urban, something revolutionary. What I say, because I believe in say. You always stand out.
Okay.
What I say. I love to stand out. So we follow Nana Boroo even brand na ache kakra na utimi say Nana Boroo brand no. He always wants to stand out when it comes to fashion. And on I can't sell me pa because me ba for na nko bebre craft say me me nyaga because of the way I me dress it.
Yeah.
And I can stand on authority say I was one of the few hip lifers now me performing with suits near there on stage.
Life.
Yeah. So if I'm coming back as a brander, I wanted to make a statement.
Okay.
What I say. And a fashionista is someone ultimately rocky be a regular person into me share.
Okay.
A regular person be to my share no because oh wow what I say. And I believe in that. So
until Nana we still know open say I said simple dry.
We say me the olive oil no kakra ebo ase.
Me be Nana.
Man fan be brace.
Oh okay.
Just because me the delay sardine no. Okay. No so oil wom ti me dey no so be kan kakra. Okay. No be man na kakra nti we should just leave it to smell a little bit kakra bi na yeah dey no so abo ase.
Okay. Nti we dey nya mem wo ho.
Da bi kakra nti no sisi ano we'll go back to the trick of cooking the spaghetti, no, the magical 360 spaghetti, no.
Matewa sia fatoha 360. Any trick ben kwana de benwa delay spaghetti.
The way adna you know, I say we say a boil it fine.
Yes.
Nti no sisi e bedum no.
Ye bedum there.
Ye bedum eja no.
Nsuo
ni jano. Aha.
Sa benwa.
Me benwa but me pese me di gum. Na Mr. You do na say Aisha.
Okay, what am I doing? Yeah, na yeah.
Nti Aisha no. O di guma. O di spaghetti no guma. We no ye mubu mo.
Okay.
Ti no o di guma. O di gum say ya.
Wow.
O di guma. Ti no. I think so it should be enough.
It should be enough.
Ti no. Yeah, the gum say ya. Ti say heat na nkasa air man and no nkasa air co inside.
Okay.
Okay. Say obe stress because one yen is a ebe bobo. What I say one yen sape ebe bobo.
Na say yen soja no.
That be yen soja ni bi. Nti see this o mama budget CB.
Remember budget. Okay.
Yen stay kaka.
Mama when
See, yeah, the budgets no. Ebe gugu so kakra.
Yeah, the kakra be gugu so.
Yeah, kakra be gugu so. Send ebe mana ye juicy fine.
Okay. Ayo. Wow. Nana Boroo skills so de no 360 spaghetti. Na wanu mua.
No mua hit na nkasa. Obe bibia kama. I say ye fine. Bako. Tina senia yeah nana nti say baha nti.
O say baha. I was for we are Nana Boroo wano ana de no kama o. Wow.
Nti no ebe hia sieve na.
Ebe hia sieve.
Ebe hwie.
Okay.
Ebe hwie gu.
Hey, 360.
One yan is a gumi wig no ho. You say me stand the corner.
I come.
Baha.
Baha.
So
Mimi so.
To bo am bi so a. If
wow.
Egum.
360.
See we are baha no.
Okay.
Yen check ya di sardine.
Oh, father then betwa.
So ya di sardine no.
Okay. Ya sardine
ebem. Straight. Okay. No time to waste.
No time to. Hey, Nana Boroo, when you are dead. Anga sampa.
And see the back of Christ and can.
Wow. Boroo.
I come up.
Never say for. Voila.
Yen chehu. Straight. Yeah, the vegetables see. Come straight.
Wow. Nene say you were doing no Boroo.
Jan de no an no.
Trasa one here. I think this is the fastest food season we
Zai kama.
Aye kama.
Mpacho me hia kosua no so bi.
We hia kosua ne bi. Eni.
Kosua no so say bobe for bigum.
E mo be for bigum ho. Berose. One. And you remember Jana no nya de ma. Two. Also 4. 3. And 4. Wow. And 4. Oh, Berose. Where the baby are?
It's in this year you know.
Ebe Jani say ya.
Jani say kakra. Na itime rura bibia.
Wow. Berose we nim na oye.
Itime rura bibia. You know before then no. We are down the long.
Okay. Ebe roho
pa.
Apple cider
vinegar. You know. I know you dey go kakra.
But you the vinegar na dey. Will grow ye. Dandelion no. Come. We go think you dey good nsuom.
We know dandelion no. Apple cider no. Obe kele bibia wo ho. Ntino e na ye no betu je num su kakra. Ntino kosi na tese ya tetino bako.
Berose.
Bako sa.
Tese o hwe se the vegetables no gugu ani no side dandelion aka ho. Na ne sardine ne ka ho because you also onum. Just a hit no kukuma for a while.
Fine, yes.
And then a Berose 360. Make sure how we bibia. Bibia what the anenu. And the anenu any. This is a better one bansana yabe serve your home. Ya didi.
Sir.
Ya nwe nkomono.
Yenwi.
Debi.
Nkomo.
Ya be say
yenwi kra.
Nana Boroo.
In the building.
Berose 360. I was for we in spaghetti no. The I na me hwe ha me wi an sa. Enu nti no. Meda bo afase. High sense. Everyday prices for everyday people. And a tasty Tom and rich tomato mix. Strength comes from within. Awake purified drinking water. One for life. Launch a kitchen. Your tranquility is our priority. Borges olive oil. The best always. Maggie the dead. Aye. Pacho besa de Maggie agumana.
Daddy. Somebody need to be egum dada.
Nam ne ho. Na unya ma no chine so kakra ti no.
Ntin na e bia kitu.
So kan no so nhwe ba you still need it.
Who say menim how steps ni na atie.
Berose beje me bo me beje nti wa o pension won chine no. Ai ne fa kum.
Bi we nya bibi kesibia.
Okay. Ye de magi de gum.
Magi nu wom kakra.
Ntino. Nti ama no chine no so kakra. I was for delay macron, delay sardine, delay spaghetti. Me pa royal aroma rice. Royal aroma rice said amoase. Sa and a Royal Kitchenware official Ghana. And a Overpack Company Limited. Overpack. Me pa ma boafoni. Me twa me ho aba. Me banana Berose 360 spaghetti no with liver. dandelion, and vegetables. Are you ready?
If it's in 1967, high sense and that's cry your bushim say, Yadia, ya bay home appliances, a ye papa, none bo edda from a man crankra, I will reassure for Nangina. High sense, Yadia, the walk why I want to say, Yan your ma yet, a buenipa, a walk on your singers, and the Nama Mimusaway, a dear Ben Sana we here, refrigerator, air conditioner, television, gas cooker, electric cooker, iron, rice cooker, washing machine, steamer, kettle, mobile phone, sound system, and now blender, a mongra, to an amount never high sense showroom BM. Najidi say, Ubenya the water from Pato. A sense here, Jim, would you say any of my papented? High sense a penny of Jumekua, a minimum 5 years warranty. Ye initial one when you did that, into ye see one from. Now, that dear will honor to the bar some swat. Your shit will come, and your may, papa. And your ma if you your ma and saying in a more ding. And on the high sense, yeah, high sense. Everyday prices for everyday people.
351 251.
My husband deserves the best jollof.
Yay!
And so do my kids. Not necessary, dear. Because for the first time in Ghana, we have the new Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. This has all the pepper, onion, thyme, curry powder, ginger, garlic, and tomatoes I need to cook my tasty jollof with no stress at all. All I do is pour my oil, add Tasty Tom Jollof Mix, fry for 4 minutes, and add water, some cube and salt, and finally rice. And my tasty jollof is ready in only 45 minutes.
So tasty.
New Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. Remember to wash your hands regularly. Stay home and eat healthy.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Darling, plain or check it.
Checkered.
That is why I trust you.
Mommy, I can't find the other one.
Top left drawer.
I trust you, Mommy.
It's good to be trusted. Just the same way I trust Royal Aroma Rice to give me that perfectly cooked rice every time. At my restaurant or at home, I trust Royal Aroma Rice every time.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
I had invited the boss for lunch.
Okay.
Then I get called to handle some emergency. So I called my auntie now to help her, but she gets stuck somewhere. So I call hubby. Now it's up to me and him to save the day with help from something special. The new Dedede seasoning from Maggi. Specially made from natural fish, shrimps, and other ingredients to give your cooking that special Dedede taste.
Dedede. Come see me Monday morning.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Borges Extra Virgin Olive Oil, best for salad dressing. A little of Borges Classic Olive Oil will make delicious meals. Borges with garlic, excellent for your grills. Make your meals with Borges, always. Borges Olive Oil.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by FDA.
Wait. I'm supposed to say action first. I said wait.
Let's go again. Spaghetti. Delay.
No, cat. That's not it. Won't you talk?
Delay spaghetti is...
Cat. Do you think we are here to joke? You have eaten all the spaghetti. You have delayed the shoot. Eat the food and say the slogan. And action.
Delay spaghetti. Meda sipebre.
Boss, I beg. I'll be deadline.
You've got to be kidding me.
Sorry.
FDA, ahwehwɛ saa edwadie nkrato yi mu agye ato mu sɛ ɛyɛ.
McBrown's Kitchen. Diane Pedo. McBrown's Kitchen. Arena so. I was there for audition time when you Arena so yes spaghetti na ready. Anuntino yes. Me baby DD. Madam Abuafo say high sense. Everyday prices for everyday people. Tasty Tom and Rich tomato mix are vitamins be brave woman and nuntiniaka. Strength comes from within. They come from mom. Me pacha wake purified drinking water near one is for life. And a launcher kitchen and a ye mi jadi. Launcher on Instagram and Facebook. Ubehuomu. Me pacha Overpack Company Limited. A company a wagana ya ne dua nnuaba bi te say akoma ginger. Jene bia behu ya tron akoma no. Ai akoma ginger, akoma onion, akoma garlic. Ni nyina free Overpack Company Limited for her. Meda delay mackerel, delay sardine, and a delay spaghetti, and yeba be dibian, delay Madame Wase. Royal Aroma Rice. Royal Aroma Rice, Madame Wase. Sana Maggie de Maggie de Madame Wase. And a Royal Kitchenware Official Ghana, me pacho, and a Borges olive oil. Madame Munina say, and Nana
360
360 yo.
See, I have Didiana. Me come dem.
Nana yebe didi na pesa oban me kakra.
Come pa.
Nana o hwe. Eniam si ha nyina me sponsors na dia soma me say me fa ma.
Me package DM say anwa den.
Nana, McBrown's kitchen. India bro. What ko interview bia me achawo. I we sukrada.
Me the amount.
Come on.
No size. No size.
Hey. Hey. McBrown's kitchen. Nana you be do spaghetti.
Sa.
Into no yem fa nyumba ko DJ ready a. O ma me nyumba ko na me fa share McBrown's kitchen fan and Nana Boroo's own. Otiasia. Hi. DJ ma me nyum. Nana you body ai.
We enter.
We
name a new one.
Okay, yeah, go. Now let's go. Welcome our guest. Our fan.
Real bad. I want to love you.
And I will see you
I'm falling for your love. Give me that touch. I'm giving you my heart. My sexy. Okay, honey. I want to let that go. I say, Fancy, I want to go.
I said, who gave you baby? Hey, me know.
But me back.
What's wrong? Me your pa. Wow.
Nice.
Why they pull your conyan run here tonight? Boroo, what you 360 simple pa.
Me if you could say when I'm saying the Johnny. I'm saying I'm show you.
Ale, you what the Johnny? And you go for money.
If he happy.
Taking the entire you. What do you want to say? But what did you say?
Edmund.
AKA real bad.
Real bad. Men for office about. I was there for McBrown's kitchen. Nana Boroo and they no any church mucho. Nana so office no.
Direct.
And then check the other one by one name. Me mo. Berose Bompire.
You jump on your coupon that was say what share so dear call a dear bar and send dear be rap ye dear man ya bo yen sano as some way imianom ye betina high baby.
Yes.
Senya atamfo eni omo pay down for nya krom hu aduane no TV so a aduane no be kama ambete ho pampan e wo Jesus Christ di mu ne de bompae obi anje so nkase amen.
Nana, spaghetti won't buy any. And then fire crantan wine there. Gather for me. Magic is so bad. Nana Boroo. I was up for you. Did you? Oh, Nana. Buy dear. I'm by this. I won't buy it. What do you need? Kono. Wow. Say. Wow. And I was going to say, go pay.
I said, me do we need to change because I am man aroma be a buffer, a piano so a mouth different aroma.
More, you know.
The way I to no more.
We just you to share. What do we share with you? What's a master? Wow. McBrown's kitchen. Ediane pa ede. Berose 360. What's that thing? Any money is that here? Berose me be do ediane.
Ran your cool.
So they wash her same thing no. Oh my God, I wouldn't me serve me when we're doing and I say, oh, you'll be any as you.
Yeah.
Berose.
It's dry, fine.
Dry.
So,
wow.
That's the whole point.
Because I'm a casa, mammy said it. Any bacho, oh, Fediani.
It does better than this one.
It does better than this.
But it's good.
It's good. Nemo me does better than this. No, I don't want attention if I wanna.
Okay. Just looking separate. You're doing it with pressure.
Na pressure, chemo.
You know. You know, camera also count.
Camera also count. When you're banning there, Uber can be a chair offer. Either baby or Tima, you want to ask your uncle, or you just want to encourage him on what he's doing. And to choose one.
And I have to give him words of encouragement.
Right.
The questions they have asked
okay.
About the hair,
okay,
to the nails,
okay,
to the drip, everything.
Drip. Okay.
I've asked him. So right now, all I have to say is that if he has something on his mind, if he has put something on his heart that he wants to get, he shouldn't stop. You don't give up just like that. You have to work hard till you get what you want to achieve.
Yeah.
That's what I have to say to him.
Thank you.
No. And it's beautiful.
So beautiful. If you're doing something and you have your family behind you, supporting you, I don't care about what people say.
Okay.
They are supporting me.
Yeah.
They love me.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's it. And unto Nebusia, Sanana Borosha Regna Hawa. Ni what passing me. Obianya Vida, a flower of Gogoba. Me, Mediani. Put me for a plate to try a transfer. Jenny and I did. Wow. Anyway, Nana, what I said, you will be as long as our Kuma money general. Yeah, the man will talk. What I say. Now, I can't nail the other day. I'm from who on Sasso. And they were now so say you also.
Baby, and you
do. Say,
and you do.
Now, says the said, I ran the hills back home.
A drew a dear not. Minya banner. Now one can swab it in the same. Bro, you see, the same do Quasala.
So, hey, what's your hills? I
drew a dear not. Imagine some.
I feel sister Moku one more, or you moki back where you. I pay, I tell you what I to one come.
Nabi, Minyosable.
What's it?
Minyosable.
How do you feel so on Chroma for who say?
You know, the funny thing is, people or more say down home, you know. Think say it's gay. But it's not. It's what I call say fashion. And also you be a pet fashion now. Fashion is bold. We are bold to wear something that normal people can't wear. It makes you a fashionista. And people don't like to accept something new, especially Ghanaians. They be as a mechanic say, "Mimi tiwe menye church elder, menye juma bank, and I menye teacher ni, me entertainer." Intino, who me say ya, me juma no, qualify for it, but me juma na me ya no there.
You are your own boss.
Yes, I'm my own boss, and it calls for all this. So, and it makes you stand out as an artist. And you know, I know what I'm doing, and change. You know, I know say rapid, but it's something that you should market on the wall. It's going to be a trend to come soon.
A trend to come soon.
Yes.
Now, you have a new song outside the year. The new song.
Enter. Yeah. Berose 3sixty, you're buying for the new song by. It's your 2 songs to his credit.
Okay.
Dangerous and Enter.
Some girls
are dangerous.
Some boys too are danger.
Me over dangerous. Back
into two song enter and
dangerous.
You know. Ninya video about
Ninya video about
YouTube.
Ninya video on YouTube.
Oh, okay.
So, and you know, the fans should just go check it out on YouTube. Dangerous and enter by Berose 3sixty. You can follow the brand also on all social media networks, no? Especially Instagram. Berose 3sixty. Berose near BEROSE. 360 near 3, number 3. And 60 near SIXTY, right?
There's a big Instagram, Facebook, not so if you're not Boroo and what. It's like in a more organization, Vianana.
I said, almost started my pressure on social media so far. Almost performs, no baby, on bit my baby performs in any idea. So I'm radio interviews, call us nefre, na, you performs, no, he found us late in school, he forms the fire, per se back. Until follow me on Instagram.
Now forms anyway.
Forms in the self in here prepare forms. Forms in the ever back.
When you know, man, none of me was only me bet 3 million or can't.
You know, the user because of senior yeah branding to know. And we in time repeat. We are Masha Benia, Adriania, noodles, 360 noodles, Ajimi, Menchabi.
Name I mean too much.
Dabi, Tobo, Opre.
Then we should be all coffee. I mean, Sanka.
Unsabeka. Unsabeka.
Nana Boroo. You know how we do. We play a lot with me, and I'm very grateful, sir.
Thank you.
When you more time.
Show different types.
I mean, spaghetti, as a wire, as a 1 year, and you made it so nice. Nanam Pacho, launch a kitchen for the kitchen. Almost say, I will change your brandy. As a sour brandy, meaning to be I was a sour fear.
Many more your margin say, more than mamma, no member who may call next week. Oh, you have my percentage. Come on. My call next week. Launch a kitchen for the kitchen. No, my mamma percentage.
Nah, made sanitizer.
That's it.
Now, what I say, so no, need you. Eddie, this is for you. Why? Where vinegar, apple cider. Oh no, my farmer, mommy will like it.
Don't worry.
Where's your hand sanitizer? Me patch me mouth iron. And a chancing.
Easy.
Chancing and the iron from High Sense. Chancing from Royal Kitchen Official Ghana. Into also would DNA. What's my idea, pa? Now what passing no just I don't want to catch out. Wow. No one to catch out, pa. Any I'm sure what it. And to know DJ remember and young, but I'm son and with a High Sense. Tasty Tom and rich tomato mix. Awake purified drinking water. Launcher kitchen. Maggie the Dead. Royal Aroma Rice. Oberpa Company Limited. Royal Kitchenware Official Ghana. Delay mackerel. Delay sardine. Delay spaghetti. And a gorgeous olive oil. Madame Wase. Meda Beauty Bow Salon and Spa for me trimming and a Legina makeover for my name. I wish you ever say shave you now Sunday. And Nutino, hey ya, Rebecca, bye. Bye everyone you back. DJ, Bommy Dangerous. Berose 360. Dangerous. Let's go.
Give me your heart to let me love you. I get to plenty taste for head. I want to show you love, but I'm a cool mess to never mind me broken heart. No! I want to love you.
Let's go!
I want to hold you. I want to give you my heart.
No!
Hey! You're so dangerous.
Boroo, we're dangerous.
When you give your heart to them, they're not gonna take you serious.
Hey!
Why you wanna break my heart? Hey!
Berose!
Give your heart to them, they're not gonna take you serious.
Wow! Thank you very much.
McBrown's Kitchen. Adriani Pedo. McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen. Adriani Pedo. McBrown's Kitchen. Yet to Kano. Get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to Kano. Get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share. McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen.